Hello, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to have beautiful backgrounds to your video in just simple steps. Probably you don't have very beautiful home studio. Don't worry, we'll sort it out right now. Just follow this video to the end so that you're not going to miss any steps. Before we go ahead, let me tell you something that you need to do and something that you need to avoid. Number one, you need to use a plain background, like the one I have behind me. Make sure your background is a background. Number two, make sure you have good light. Make sure there's light on your face. Number three, ensure you're not putting on multicolored attire. Okay, just put on a plain color, preferably dark color like black or navy blue. So you don't move too much. Don't move too much. Somebody say, oh, these rules are too much, so that we can get the best result. The last but not the least, download a background that you will like to use. All right, having done that, let's jump into CapCut. For those that are new to CapCut, if you're seeing CapCut for the first time, if you're opening it, this is what the dashboard looks like. This is what you're going to be finding. This is what your canvas look like. Look at this point. This is to import. Okay, you import your footage. You just click on it, go to where your footages are, import them. Okay, you can just select anything you want to import. Okay, so is here, then you drag it to the timeline. You get drag it to the timeline. And for your images, let me show you. You can get your images from Leonardo AI. You can decide to generate your image from Leonardo AI. If you want to generate it from Leonardo AI, you have to create an account. Then you log in, you sign in, then you come towards this part. Look at image creation. Click on image creation. That's where you're going to be putting your prompts. Okay, let's just give it a moment to load. I think I should just refresh. All right, after clicking image creation, look at this particular part. Make sure you are selecting 16:9 ratio. 16:9, don't forget. Okay, if it's there 1:1 ratio, your image will come in square when you're generating. So ensure you select 16:9, and this is where you're going to be putting your prompt. If you whatever you want, look at a beautiful home studio with television screen and laptop, size of the room, whatever, just put in your prompt and click generate, and it's going to generate your images for you. Look at what I have here. I generated these images and downloaded them, so you can generate as many images as possible. So let's go back to CapCut. So that's how we're going to be importing all our footages, our images into CapCut. All right, this is CapCut, and I have my footage. I have two footage there for the demonstration, and I have two backgrounds, and I have a video. I'm going to be explaining what I'm going to be doing with all of them very soon. So let's drag this footage into the timeline. Drag it in. Let's see. So you come towards this side. Look at, we have video, we have basic on the video. Then come to remover BG or remove BG, that's remove background. Then come to auto remover, just click on it and to process and the background will be removed. Just one click. Oh, background gone. Okay, I'm still going to be dropping another footage so you see the difference. Look at this one. Can you see that as if something is flickering on my shoulder? Yeah, it's because I didn't use enough light in this particular footage. All right, let's delete it. That's why it's important for you to have enough light. Let me drag this second one. You see, So the same process, click auto remover. Now let's play it. Let's see. You see, no flickering, right? This is much better. So this is what we're going to be using. Very good. Now the next thing you're going to be doing is to drag your background, drag it into this timeline. And let's take the video up and extend the background to cover the entire clip, to cover the length. I mean, extend it to the length. Yeah, the length. Okay, the length. Now we have it. Look at, I'm having a beautiful office background. But if you discover that the background is conflicting with my image, so people will be like, oh, what are we looking at the laptop? Are we looking at the chair? So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding some blur to it. So come over to effects, then you search for lens. Okay, lens, just for lens. Under lens, you look for blur. Okay, let's go and search for blur. So blur, where are you? All right, this is blur. So just drag it and put it on the background. Okay, so blur has been added on the background. Then come over to this point and adjust the blur. Adjust it to, okay, now you want, see, did you see the difference? Oh, this is much better. It's better. Okay, this is better. It's beautiful. I want to also, this is just an additional thing you can do to your footage. If it's not very bright enough, come to adjustment, then you can make some adjustment depending on the quality of your camera. Some of you don't have to do any adjustment, just leave it that way. So I come here, come to sharpen the image. Oh, did you see that it's popping? It's better. Then come to clarity, just increase it a little. Okay, so I think that is fine. That is good. That's good. All right, I was saying something about the video I kept here. You can also use video as a background. So just come and just drag it here. Drag it. Let's remove this background. At least you understand how to change background now. Let's remove the background. Go. And let's extend. Oh, okay, sorry, can't extend the video, but let's use it this way. Okay, let's limit to this point. Let's assume our footage is not longer than this. Right, did you see what is happening? Let me play it so that you're going to see. You see, oh, beautiful. So you can have video behind you, you can have images behind you, you can be in the railway station, you can be on the football field, you can be in fact you can be anywhere. You can be in the US, you can be in the UK, have any background you want. If you find value in this tutorial, do well to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button so that YouTube can keep suggesting this video to as many persons as possible. Thank you for sticking around. See you in the next video.